Good morning, fifth graders. It's time for writing workshop. Okay, and today our session is focused on readers notice how the author's point of view influences the text. So I am going to teach you, needed my coffee. Today, I want to teach you that readers notice how writer's point of view influences the description of the topic. Okay, so think about that. No matter there's different points of view in writing, and that may have you describe something differently. Just like sometimes when you hear your friends tell a story, and one friend says it one way and one says it a different way. So point of view can change how things are written. So I put this little chart up here to help us. Who is telling the story? See, an owl. Who? Get it, fifth grade? Get it? Good. Okay. So first person. The first person point of view is told by the character in the story, or it's told by the person writing it, told by the author. Okay. The keywords will be I, me, we. Okay. Second person is the narrator addresses the reader. Okay. You, yours. It means they use these words to talk to you, the reader. Okay. And third is it's told by a narrator that is not in the story. Okay. So he, she, names of characters. So, and all these can be used to write fiction and nonfiction. Okay. And nonfiction may show you a little more in the third person, but you will see writing from all. Okay. Also, it's in poetry, and it's important to notice that so that you can relate or see what the poem is about. It helps to know the author's point of view. So I'm going to read you this poem, and let's see how it can relate. Now I'm going to see if I can make it bigger. Awesome. So this is called What Are We Going to Do With You? More by Jenna. Okay. Sometimes you drive us all crazy. Sometimes me more than others. But sometimes you yell and kick at nothing for no reason. Tell me, little sis, what are we going to do with you? I keep telling myself I wanted a sister, not an alien, only to have mother tell me you are human. I laugh as you walk it in with your underwear on your head. Now it's mother's turn to say, oh, what are we going to do with you? But sometimes when it's bedtime, you can be the sweetest thing. I find adorable when you snuggle with your small teddy bear. And I can't help but say, Tatum, what are we going to do with you? So I want us to think about that and think about what the point of view is in this poem, okay? And for your discussion, you're going to write in this poem, what helps you understand the reader's point of view? And the writer's point of view. And if the writer's point of view were different, what would it sound like? Okay, so I'm going to go back up to the poem. Now, we do see a lot of yous, but it's not telling it, the yous are not addressing us as the readers. The you are talking about a character or person in the writing. But you notice the author uses us, okay? They use, let me see if I can get this cool little thing I like on here. Okay, they use us. They use I a lot. You'll see I here, okay? And it sounds like it's told from the point of view of the sister, okay? First person. But I want you to think also, if it was how would it sound different, okay? So how would this poem sound if, say, the mom were writing it? What would be different, okay? So that's what you're going to think about today. When you're reading, I want you to look for evidence that shows the writer's point of view. Remember, nonfiction, this can impact the way the information is shared. Okay? So, and then jot down ideas that you have about the writer's point of view in your reading notebook, and that you're going to share for your assignment. So you can do this if you're in poetry, fiction, and nonfiction. You're going to look for the point of view. I look forward to reading all your work.